She's a wee bit interesting actually. So far in the last couple of days I've driven a Death, Isuzu, my favourite Mac, and now I've just been given the keys for an old TK Bedford. So we're going for a bit of a cruise. Horn works. Oops, it's reversed. Yeah. Fucking it. There we go. Woohoo! Oh, this is a sweet old girl, this one. Don't know how well the camera light's going to come out, but yeah, when you get thrown between a Dutch automotive fuck up, a nice sausage, an old big puppy dog there, an old best of British, old Bedford. So we're just doing, yeah, a wee bit of grain, so she's yeah, a bit different to be fair. Runs really smooth to be fair. Flawless gear changes. Oh no, that's me, not the truck. Hey, you know, to be fair, it lacks what it can carry in black horsepower. But apart from that door rattling, what a dream to drive this is. Oh, wee honey. Wee. Imagine going back, you know, 30, 40 years before Dash, before the wanky Kenworths and all that sort of thing, when it was, you know, the old Nissan, the old Bedford, you know. Old school. That door's really pissing me off. If it was, to be fair, if it wasn't for that door, I'd be home and hose. I'd be loving it. It's not like you need a, you know, you get into a Kenworth and you're driving along and there's a rattle here and a rattle there. It's like, where's the stereo? I've got to turn it up to disguise the rattles. This here, you know, the bit of a door's rattling and put, you know, just needs slammed properly, probably. And you know, a few bits up the back. It's like, yeah, living in luxury. Yeah, alright, you've been cut off by the Gooserooter. Get used to it, bro. Tongue twister. Bought brand new for the farm. She's never left the farm. This is just living the dream. Honking along beside a dirty great case. What more could you ask for? Wow, power steering, air conditioning. But I know a lot of modern vehicles that don't have air conditioning, so you know, just living the dream. Oh, I can fuck, I'm full. Yeah, so that was a good wee drive back in time, to be fair, even though it was short-lived. Just, you know, whip out and load her up for the night, then come back and get into a bit of modern trucking, you know, with your air conditioning and your stereo and your winky blinky blue lights that someone decided to put on, and all that sort of thing. So, you know, to be fair, you know, if I had to jump in that for a day or two or a day or 10, the only thing I'd do is fix that door, you know, shut the door properly. Other than that, she just hummed along quite nicely. Still doesn't sound as cool as the old Mac though, does it? Hey? No idea what? I've always got no idea. She's a wee bit interesting actually. So far in the last couple of days I've driven a Death, Isuzu, my favourite Mac, and now I've just been given the keys for an old TK Bedford. So we'll go for a bit of a cruise.